Hey guys, it's Melissa here with Rooted Home and Garden. Gravel walkways are so beautiful when they're maintained, but sometimes they look like this. Get dirt in them, they get stuff in them. And over time, if you don't take care of this problem, it's gonna turn into a really big issue. So today I'm gonna show you the quick hack I use to clean out my gravel walkways to make them look beautiful on a regular basis, even when they look like this. All right, so I just got all these boxwoods all planted, but unfortunately, we did get a lot of dirt in here and it looks pretty yucky. So how are we gonna fix this? I'm gonna show you the quick hack of what I do when that happens, and you're gonna be totally amazed because it is so easy, so fast, and it makes it look stunning afterward, like you never had a problem. So the tools that you need for this project is you need a colander. This is my garden colander. I pretty much use it for this project only, but you know what? It works so well that you will want to get yourself your own garden colander too. Use a trowel or you can use a shovel. And then sometimes you need gloves if you're going to use your hands. And that's it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your colander and put it in a dirt area. So I'm right here next to my flower bed over here. So I'm going to put my colander in this location. The next thing you're going to do is take your trowel or your hands if you want to, or even a big shovel. And you're gonna start digging out the area, including the gravel. And when you're digging, you're going to put it directly into the colander. All right, so as you can see, I have this whole area just completely dirt. So even with the gravel, we're just going to scoop it up as much as you wanna get out, and we're pouring it into the colander. And that's what we're gonna do with this whole area. All right, that looks pretty good to me. I have a couple of spots still. Now we're gonna take the colander and we're gonna shake it. Did you see the amount of dirt that was pouring out of the bottom as we were shaking it? That was all the dirt that was in your gravel. Well, not your gravel, my gravel. But still, if you're having issues like this is gonna take just minutes of your time. And then you're gonna continue to have a beautiful walkway. Now all we have to do is just put it back in the right spot. All right, so this is the spot where we took it from. I didn't move anything. We're gonna take our colander with rocks, and hopefully we got all the dirt out. I think we got most of it out. And we're just gonna dump it back in that spot. And this is really helpful with having the gloves. Just kind of move it back. Oh, look at that. Look how gorgeous it is. No issues. I'm telling you, this is truly the best hack ever. Now, I've got a couple of other spots in my yard that also have an issue, so we're gonna take care of those today. But also, if you get rocks in your flower beds, let me show you real quick. See all these corners over here? With kids and the dogs and, you know, probably myself as well, rocks get into the flower bed constantly. And that's throughout the entire yard. And so this hack works on that too. You're gonna do the same thing where you're just taking your colander, you're putting it in the dirt, and you're just gonna scoop that out. And you can easily put the gravel back into your walkway and leave your borders all clean. Is your mind blown? I know, mine too. I think this is fantastic. So let's get to work. So same thing, we're scooping it out, putting it in to the colander, taking our colander and shaking. And there we go, it's just rocks, but these rocks look awfully dirty. So let's go wash them off real quick and then we can put them back in the gravel walkway. All right, let's go put it back. Ooh, this part is probably the worst. So we're really gonna focus on this area. Again, I've got my colander. And that's all I do when I'm trying to get the dirt out of my gravel. Super easy. So don't forget to pick up your own colander. And now look at the hole sizes. They're not itty bitty holes, but they're not big enough where the gravel's gonna go through. So I don't know what size my gravel is. This is my gravel. Not sure what size it is. I think it's gold granite or something like that, maybe 5/8 maybe. Oh, just melting out here. But these are the little hacks I do to keep my yard looking absolutely beautiful. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful for you too.